These videos show how to scrape data from websites using Excel for Macintosh, which is much harder, it turns out, than using Excel for PCs. So what we're going to do is we're going to scrape the inflation adjusted S&P 500 data table from this particular link. You'll notice it is inflation adjusted table by year. And the first step is going to be bring up the browser, and here you see exactly what you see on the left. Take the URL and copy it. Next up, I show you the general summary of, on the left, how to scrape data tables using Mac in Excel, and on the right, using PC Excel. I will explain these steps in detail in the next two modules, which will be Mac followed by PC. For your convenience, I have listed some of the important Excel commands that we'll be using in these videos.